Hey guys, we're doing well. It's Bagelsmith. I have another two boxes of Paramount War that I'm opening today. Without further ado, let's get into it. This will be boxes 8 and 9 of my case. Getting down to the last half here. Last opening was really good. We had 6 secret rare and alternate hits combined. Let's see what these cases have in store for us. Time to start the trash pile. Right. Case. Our promos and revision pack. I'll put this to the side. Let's start with our revision pack. And there we go. Law, Jinbei, Jet Pistol, Scalpel, Sables. I forget how you pronounce it in the show. Jack and Blast Breath. Cool that we got a Jet Pistol in there. Oh, that's pretty useful in the meta. At least I think it is. And then for the box topper, I'm going to carefully cut just so I don't waste time. Okay, and any guesses who this will be? Still are looking for a couple that we haven't gotten yet. Ooh, it's another Boa Hancock. Second one that I've gotten of her. Can't be mad, of course. Though we're still looking for another two. I will put her in. But there we go. Boa Hancock for our box topper. Put her to the side. But let's get into packs proper here. Still have 2 boxes that could be alternate leader boxes that we haven't opened yet. Other than that, I think we're still looking for Shanks. Or not Shanks, God. Ace. Manga Ace. There's the Dawn card. There we go. Oh, there's our first rares. Rare Jozu and super rare Monkey D. Luffy. Hope you guys had a good week. Certainly been pretty good for me. Just happy to be opening more cards. Dawn card. Go. Trying to get through these a little faster. Our rares are Monkey D. Luffy and super rare Whitebeard. 2 packs in. Already got 2 super rares. Guess that's not bad. This means we'll find less later in the pack or the box. There's our Dawn card. All right. Impel down. Come on, focus up. There's our... Ooh! Look at that. Rare Monkey D. Garp. Let me put him to the side. And it's an alternate art leader, Ivankov. That looks great. One of the alternate art leader cards I really wanted. Big fan of Ivankov. I just love how just full-faced this card is. It really takes up the whole card. Anyway, awesome pull to get. Well, with Ivankov, I've gotten 2 of the 3 alternate art leaders that I want. Sanji, Ivankov, and hopefully the last one in the case will be Kinemon. So I'm hoping for. But I guess we got our first alternate art pull pretty quick out of the way here. Still should expect at least one more alternate art. Rares for this one are Carrot and Gum Gun Rain. Dawn card. There's our Garp and Mr. 3. Dawn card. Ooh. Ooh. There we go. Rares are Little Sadie and Sengoku. Okay. Dawn card. Rares for this one are Judgment of Hell and Smoker. Dawn card. Oh, well, focus there. There we go. Rares are Marco and Super Rare Ace. Dawn card. Rares are Totsuka and Inazuma for this pack. Dawn card. Rares are Masked Deuce and Super Rare Kozuki Odin. Careful, careful. Tear cornerback. Dawn card. Yamato and Mr. 2 for rares for this pack. Okay. Dawn card. Focus up, focus up. There we go. Rares are Nami, Super Rare, and Hannibal. Oh, there's an alternate art Dawn card. Put them to the side. Now we have Rares, Jozu, and Carrot for this pack. All right. We've quieted down for the beginning here. Still looking for an alternate art or potentially secret rare. Dawn card. You did already pull our alternate Dawn last pack. Rares are Shiryu and Meteor Volcano. Dawn card. I just had it in focus, man. There we go. Rares are Gum Gum Rain and Little Sadie. All right. Dawn card. All right, rares are Vista and Super Rare Sakazuki. 8 more packs to go till we finish off this box. Should be possibly loaded here for the last 8 packs. There's our Dawn card. Rares are Sengoku and Marco for this pack. Don't card. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Thought I saw something. Okay, Frankie. Oh, awesome. Here's our second alternate art. Monkey D. Luffy rare. Put him to the side. In super rare alternate art, Magellan. I don't think he's entirely desired, but this is one of my favorite super rares. I just love the shade of purple and how it looks on this card. Another great pull from this case. All right, so we got our second alternate art pull, so we will burn through these packs. Only thing we have a chance on is potentially another secret rare. So we'll see if we can get one. Here's a Dawn card. Rares are Totska and super rare Ivankov. Just 5 more packs, it looks like, in this box. Whoa, Dawn card. There we go. Rares are Brook and Buggy. Okay, your Dawn card. Rares are Inazuma and Hannibal. Hannibal. Is it Hannibal? Is it how it's spelled on the card? I thought it was Hannibal. I've just been reading it wrong the entire time. If that's the case. Dawn card. Rares are Shiki and Kobe. Dawn card. Rares are Hina and Seaquake. Our final pack of our first box of this video. There's our Dawn card. Rares are Hina and Seaquake again. All right. You guys, I'll be right back. I need to clean up these cards and the mess I left on the floor, and then I'll be back with box number 2. Oh my goodness, guys. Box number 2. I got a little excited here and started opening it before I hit record. Go figure. But I already began to open it. I promise you, this is legit. This is a real box. No tampering here. We're in box number 2 of this video. Box number 9 of my case. Alternate Art Leader Black's box. Let's see what's in this one. But let's start with the revision and box topper. Put this to the side. Oh, if we can open this. There we go. I see my boy Luffy. And then go. Luffy, Kaido, Thousand Sunny, Jewelry Bonnie, Gecko Moria, Love Love Mellow, and Brachio Bomber. And then these guys to the side. And then we have a box topper. Hoping for not a duplicate. Potentially, I think I still need Mino Koala. We'll see. And who is it going to be? Oh, I called it. Mino Koala. First time getting this one. I think that makes it. I have 5 of the unique ones. 9 boxes in. I'm just looking for one more. I can't remember for the life of me what the other one is, but we got a Mino Koala for our box topper for this box. Into the sleeve it goes. But again, into packs proper here. First pack of the box. Okay, there's a Don card. Wonder what this box will be. Maybe another alternate art leader? Maybe. Never know. But for our first one, rares are Mr. 3 and Judgment of Hell. Okay, Dawn card. Rares are Buggy and Whitebeard. Super rare. Dawn card. Rares are Smoker and super rare Kizaru. Whoa. That's hard to pull. Okay, Dawn card. Rares are Shiki and Kobe. Okay. Rares are Mask Deuce and Yamato. Oh. That's so hard to pull. What the heck? Okay, there's your Dawn card. Rares are Jozu and Carrot. Okay. Dawn card. Rares are Mr. 2 and Magellan Super Rare. Oh. Get back there. I saw something. Okay. Oh. Gum Gum Rain and super rare Odin. The super rare Odin always has art that goes like beyond the borders. It always trips me up. I always think it's a special card. I mean, it is special, I guess, but more special than it seems, you know? Okay, Dawn card. Come on there. There we go. There's our Shiryu and Meteor Volcano. Dawn card. Where's our Little Sadie and Sen Goku? Okay, oh, there's our alternate art Dawn. Put Shanks to the side. Finish the rest of the pack here. Rares are Garp and Mr. 3. Oh. Uh-oh. I think I saw something again. think I saw something again. Don't card. Okay. Again, still looking for one alternate art and potentially a secret rare. Rares are Vista and alternate art Uta. Very nice. I put you to the side. Again, alternate art Uta. This is the second time I've pulled her in her alternate art form. Still, stunning card. And super awesome pull. One more second. One more second. All right, that's enough. Just pulled alternate art Uta. That counts as our alternate art pull, not a secret rare pull. So, still have a chance for either alternate art leader, alternate art rare or super rare, or another secret rare, potentially. Oh, speaking of the devil, rare buggy and secret rare Kuzan. So we had a chance and we did get it. That's our one secret rare possibility for this box. Nice. All right. So anything left in here would be either another alternate art leader or potentially another alternate art rare or super rare. There's your Dawn. Marco and Totska for our rares. Don't card. Rares are Judgment of Hell and Smoker. Your Dawn card. Oh, put the rare down. Rares are Inazuma and super rare Sakazuki. All right, 8 more packs to go here. Still seeing if we can pull one more thing out of this box. Dawn card. Whoa. Losing grip on my thumb. Rares are Deuce and Yamato. Whoa. Sometimes these are just hard to tear open. Dawn card. Oh, sorry. I'll focus there for a second. Rares are Hannibal and Hina. Okay. Dawn. Ooh, there we go. Rares are Bon Clay and Kuzan. Super rare. All right. Get the Dawn card out of the way. Rares are Seaquake and Luffy. Our last 4 packs here. To reach the bottom of the box again. All right. Dawn card. Get this in focus. Rares are Shiryu and Meteor Volcano. Stone card. Stone card. Rares are Monkey D. Garp and a super rare. Dawn card. Go. Rares are Vista and Baruch. And last pack of the box and of the video. Dawn card. Last chance here to see if we can pull anything. Oh, awesome. We have Brook Rare. And we have alternate art super rare Luffy. Oh, let me get it closer. There we go. Oh, what a great thing to pull in the last pack of the last box. He looks awesome. Again, there's 2 Luffys that you can pull in this set as alternate rares. We have the super rare blue, and there's the rare green, I think, the film red Luffy version, but awesome pull. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I got a quick recap of the best pulls of each box. So this one I'm about to pick up is the first box we pulled, box 8 of my case. First, we have our box topper, Boa Hancock, alternate art Dawn, and then we have the super rares in no particular order. I'll go through them slowly here. And then our alternate art pulls. Our first one of this box was the alternate art leader, Ivankov. And then our second pull for the box was alternate art super rare, Magellan. Looks great. And then for our second box of this video, we had a Mino Koala box topper, our alternate art Dawn. Our super rares in no particular order. And then our alternate art hits. We have alternate art secret rare Uta, followed by secret rare Kuzan, and then our last pull, our alternate art super rare Luffy. So that's it, guys, for this video. Again, thank you for watching. I have 3 more boxes in my case, and I will be opening those next week to upload next Friday. Should be a longer than usual video. I'm going to try to make it as fast as I can, but I want to finish my case out. But here are the pulls for this week. Maybe like that, so it's not covered by light. But the best I can do. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Have a good day.